CR7, the legal battle continues. Juventus appeals for the 9.8 million paid. Following the ruling of the arbitration board, Juventus had to pay the Portuguese player Cristiano Ronaldo the overdue amounts. However, the Bianconeri have decided to appeal to the court of Turin against the ruling, thus initiating a new phase in the legal dispute. In the annual financial report of Juventus, among the 36 million in non-recurring charges, there are also 10 million related to the Cristiano Ronaldo arbitration award. This amount, precisely 9.8 million euros, was established by the arbitration board in response to the 19.5 million initially claimed by the player for certain outstanding sums. The decision of the arbitration board led the club to contest the ruling, arguing that the judges of the Court of Turin only acknowledged Juventus's pre-contractual liability arising from the failed negotiations. Indeed, the ruling excluded any fraudulent intent on the part of Juventus towards Ronaldo, but nonetheless established that the club was responsible for the damage suffered by Ronaldo due to the loss of wages, while reducing the compensation to half since the player did not formally request those sums. In its response, Juventus emphasized that the judges found that the Ronaldo letter has no binding effect. Moreover, they rejected the requests for nullification of the agreement to reduce fees and the enforcement of the supplementary agreement, recognizing the absence of fraud on the part of the club. This aspect is crucial for Juventus's defense, which has already paid CR7 a portion of the amount due, net of interest and taxes. On the other hand, Ronaldo is claiming the total gross amount, which is around 12 million euros. The matter thus becomes more complicated with the appeal filed by Juventus. The club hopes to revisit the decision of the arbitration board, arguing that the responsibility attributed to them is unjust and does not take into account various factors, including the specific terms of the agreements made. This legal battle is not just about figures, it also represents a crucial moment for Juventus's reputation. The outcome of the appeal could have significant repercussions not only on the financial level but also on the club's credibility in managing its financial operations and contracts with players. Meanwhile, the situation has attracted the attention of the media and fans, who are keenly following the developments in this matter. Juventus has always maintained a certain level of confidentiality regarding legal issues, but it is now compelled to publicly defend its interests. It remains to be seen how the Court of Turin will respond to the appeal filed. Juventus is determined to assert its rights and achieve a favorable outcome, hoping to definitively close this chapter with Ronaldo, who has left an indelible mark on the club's history but now finds himself at the center of a complex and costly legal dispute. In conclusion, the legal battle between Juventus and Cristiano Ronaldo continues to unfold, with both parties ready to fight for their rights and interests. The next hearing will be crucial for the future of this controversy, and fans are eagerly awaiting an outcome that could clarify the situation.